ಪೈರು ಮೊಳಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇವಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಮೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ರೋಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪರಿಸರ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಾನುಭೂತಿ ತೋರಿಸೋದು, ಸೊ ಇದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಮೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೇ ಮುಂದೆ ಮರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೀವನ ಹಸನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ನಾನು ಎಪಿಕೋ ಟೀಮ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಪಟ್ಟರು, ತುಂಬ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಹೌದು ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೀಮ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ.
There were about 20 employees, and we worked mostly with 6th and 7th grade students. So we had given these students real world problems, and they had to come out with like a skit. So there were 20 volunteers who were divided into teams and the team consisted of volunteers, children of the school, and one Meghshala employee in each team. So there were around 5 to 6 teams. The children were absolutely enthusiastic. They were so confident on stage, and the collaboration, to see the employees who were just meeting them for the first time, to see them collaborate with these children was really heartwarming.
It's been a first time for us, like doing this kind of an activity with the kids in a skit form, in a dramatic form, and making sure that the impact is there on the messaging that we are giving. So I really enjoyed it. I think the entire team enjoyed it. We could see the children's also. All of the children really had fun and enjoyed it. So I'm really grateful for that, and thank you for doing this with us.
Wow, what an incredible day we had here today. I want to start off with thanking Meghshala for having us and letting us bring the whole Epico team over here. So we got to see a glimpse of our childhood also, and also spend some amazing time with these kids.
It's so nice to see the impact that you have and to first hand experience it. All the children we met, they were so enthusiastic, they were so excited to be part of this, and to see that how confident and how well spoken everybody is. It was really amazing.
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಪಿಕೋ ಟೀಮ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶಾಲಾ HM ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಘಶಾಲಾ ತಂಡ, ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ತಂಡ, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.